Showings have picked up since the snow and ice storms that impacted the area have been cleared, enough for buyers to get out to home shop, while the mortgage interest rates are favorable. It's Friday, February 13th, 2026. Happy Friday the 13th. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Evidence of buyer activity in the number of new contracts this report compared to the past two reports. New listings to hit the market are also a sign that sellers are ready for some action this spring. Meanwhile, new resale inventory to hit the market since last report rose 10.3% to 1,505 from last week at a median $386,250. Coming soon properties rose again this report to 1,195 properties at a median $465,000. New contracts rose 16.6% to 1,313 properties and at a median list price of $415,000. Days before contract improved again this report to 22 days. 800 units sold in 34 days at 98.4% list to sold ratio and at a $408,950 median sold price. All this tells us that Maryland's market is still strong for sellers. Rental units dipped again this report to 3,549 units available at $2,500 per month. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, February 13th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have an incredible Friday the 13th and happy Valentine's Day to everyone. I'll see you next week. Take care.